Hello, my name is Fredrik Chinstedt. I am one of the founders of 5Watts, and I would like to discuss with you how the cooling is solved in the 5Watts Zaurac 430. The Zaurac 430 casing is made from milled aluminium. This is a better solution than casting, but it is more expensive to manufacture. The reason for milling is not only is the aluminium more robust, because casting uses a different alloy, but due to the milling process we can have a better shape on the cooling fins than other manufacturers. The shape of our cooling is calculated with CAD software. We have optimized every single surface and volume. We have done this to guarantee the lifespan of the LEDs. The Zaurac 430 can maintain an optimal temperature in a space where the air does not move. This means that you can install the work light in any place where you want it, even in places where other manufacturers' lights will break or overheat.